Okay, now we're on to learning objective 3, a little more involved. You've actually, at this point, you may not have turned in this section because maybe you're still working on it. It's the section on students must identify legal, ethical, social, and security issues related to computer information technology. This is a section in the paper that details these issues related to your project, not just in general, related to your project. They don't have to be solved, but you should identify that these could be potential issues to be aware of. If you don't have the section at all, then you get 0 points. The section is worth 20 points depending on how many areas and topics you are able to identify that pertain to your project. I have listed 4: legal, ethical, social, and security issues. Security can be hardware related, software related. It might be physical security because your perimeter might need a fence. So that's an example of some security type things that you should address. Ethical. Are there any ethical issues related to your project? Social. For instance, you can also use ergonomics under a social issue. Is there anything about ergonomics that should be addressed? Legal. Can you videotape that student? Can you videotape anyone? What about email? Think about email within a company, within a business. Is that going to affect any issues? Look at some company policies you might find on the internet and see what things they address that might help you come up with issues related to your project. So there are a lot of areas and directions you can use with this learning objective. You're just going to need to find at least one thing, maybe more than one thing per area. The fullest amount of points would be all areas are fully redressed in relation to the project, not necessarily the business. So I'm not looking for a business statement of mission. That's a business thing. I'm looking for things that relate to your project that could cause issues, potential issues, or existing issues that you are aware of.